6 years ago, I was burdened with a lot of debts. This is what I used to look like. And this is me today. Enjoying the life, driving amazing cars. On your screen right there, a Maserati, right? One of the less than 100 Maseratis in Nigeria. And I'm able to afford this and drive this and live in beautiful places because I said yes to the Buena Vida.
5 years ago, I had to borrow money to do everything. Feeding, clothing, shelter, accommodation, everything. Life was so tough for me. But I became a member of this platform. Before you know, my life began to change. Right now, I have many cars I've bought cars for my parents. I have 3 offices in Abuja and all over Nigeria. But the most important thing is that the La Buena Vida project has been able to mentor thousands of people, showing them how they can live life on their terms. If you are tired of where you are, you want a change. Some of you may say, oh, I have enough money already. But you want to have more money. My mentor says too much money is not enough money. Or you want to have your own house, have your own car, travel abroad for free. We can show you how to do it.
What if, ladies and gentlemen, that day it dawned on me that anything is possible. I picked up my phone and I called the person who has shown this opportunity and I said, sir, I'm ready to get started. By the grace of God, I got started in my business last year, July. That was when I officially started my business. Before 1 year, before I even turned 18, I'd already made my first millions from where? From this business. As I'm talking to you now, I'm in school. And guess what? I pay my school fees for myself. Just recently, I opened up a shop for my mother so that she can be making enough money to take care of my younger sister. As I'm talking to you now, it is not even how much I'm making that is the most important thing. It is what I plan to do. Imagine 2 years from now when I'll be opening schools everywhere in Nigeria, making sure that young girls like myself who cannot afford to pay school fees don't have to go through that kind of hardship to raise any capital. As I'm talking to you now, before the age of 20, I'm going to be starting up my own foundations and everything.